Hey everybody, it's Dan Sfera. Welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, that website address for you, just in case you don't already know. It's www.theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Today's video is very important. I heard it from an auditor myself. Patrick Stone has talked about this before. For those of you who don't know, Patrick Stone's a former FDA auditor. He's been on the show numerous times. He's now a consultant. He's a guru producer. We talk about the delegation of duties log and what exactly it is that this means. So I heard it once again. I'm starting to see that it's very important. It's a very important concept, and I want you guys to pick up on this. Is the first thing that an FDA person or someone from a sponsor would look at during an audit at your clinic is the delegation of duties log. And it has to be filled out completely, has to be filled out correctly. Make sure that they're proper people who are certified and trained and qualified. Check with your state, check with your state, local, and national laws, any regulations that may apply. Only those people who are qualified, certified, and trained to do those duties can do it. For example, reviewing lab results. Generally, it must be an MD. It doesn't always have to be a PI. If the sub-I is an MD, he or she can review lab results. Same with ECG results. The gray area is, can a nurse practitioner do it? Can a physician's assistant do it? These are things that have to be clearly outlined in the delegation of duties log, and these are things that the sponsor will look at. Another thing is the sponsor will then, after looking at the delegation of duties log and seeing who all the people are that will be doing these procedures, they then look at the source documents and make sure that what you wrote in the delegation of duties log, those people who are supposed to do certain duties are actually the ones doing them and not other people doing them, while the delegation of duties log states other people are doing it. So if that's confusing, they want to make sure after reading the delegation of duties log, which the PI is supposed to delegate responsibilities to various staff personnel for the purpose of the trial, they want to make sure that in the source documents, in the actual conduct of the clinical trial, that those people are indeed the ones doing those procedures and not others. Hopefully this helps. It's important. It just came to me a few days ago. It looks like something that sponsors, FDA, are looking at a lot now in 2013 going forward. Big shout out to my clinical trial guru producers, Sarah Elizabeth Siegler, Resolve Research Solutions, Accurate Clinical Trials, Erdhard Clinical Trials, PTNR, Patrick Stone, Darshan Kulkarni, Biopharm Systems, Zymewire, Mozio, South Coast Clinical Trials, Breakthrough Clinical Trials, and St. Paul Medical Research Center in Miami, Florida. Thank you all so much for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.